Good morning. This is Mrs. Jadwin. I am one of the counselors here at Hopkins High School, and I am going to talk you through understanding your plan results and preparing for success. Why did you take the plan? The plan shows you your strengths and weaknesses in English, math, reading, and science. It lets you know if you're on track for college and helps you find careers that match your interests. It also helps you to prepare for the ACT. The front side of your plan score report looks like this. During this presentation, we will ask you to follow along on a worksheet and fill in the worksheet as I talk you through it. On the top left of the front side of your score report, you will see your composite score and your scores from each of the sections: English, math, reading, and science. On the front of your worksheet, please take a moment to enter your composite score and your score from each section. If you look at the percentages shown on this slide, you will see that this student was strongest in English. On the right side, you will see how your scores compared to other students in our school and other students in the state of Minnesota. Now, look to see on the right side of the score report what your estimated ACT composite score range is. And write that in on your worksheet. In the middle of the top of the front side of your score report, you will see a box titled College Readiness, and it will show you in each subject area if you are prepared for college according to what your score shows. This student was above the benchmark in English and reading and below in math and science. Look at your score report and see how you compare, and on your worksheet, write in yes or no to indicate if you are on track to be ready for college in each subject area. Based on your scores and college readiness, what subjects should you take next year? Based on your scores, think about what courses you should take to be more prepared for college. What subjects and what specific classes should you take to improve in the subject areas where your scores were lower? Write down 3 subjects and then 3 classes that might help you on your worksheet. Think about what areas you need to challenge yourself and where you can handle honors or AP classes, and which teachers you might want to talk to decide which classes to take. On the bottom of the front side of your score report, you will see a box titled Career Area List. There is a highlighted section which suggests for you which career areas you might be interested in. Plan is suggesting a few areas for you, but you can choose what you want. on your worksheet and write in the few areas that plan suggested you may be interested in. And then think about which jobs in these specific areas you might like to explore. Think about how the results of your planned test relate to what classes you should take next year, either to help you strengthen your skills in areas where you need improvement, or to challenge yourself in areas where you are already strong. Also think about which courses you might take at Hopkins High School that can relate to areas of career interest. You might want to look through our course book or talk with your teachers or your counselor. The back side of your score report looks like this. At the bottom of each section, you will see how many questions you answered correctly. Look on your worksheet and fill in the number of questions you answered correctly from each section. Think about which subject areas you need to focus on before you take the ACT, and write down the 2 subjects you need to study hard before you take the real ACT next year. Then, look at the suggestions for improving your skills based on your scores. On the right side, look at the suggestions and think about what you can do to improve in each of those areas. Fill in your worksheet by writing the content area and the strategies to improve that you intend to pursue. If you would like more information on your plan results, please go to planstudent.org.